The question says that when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, charges appear on both. A similar phenomenon is observed with many other pair of bodies. Explain how this observation is consistent with the law of conservation of charge. So the law of conservation of charge says that in an isolated and closed system, total charge remains constant. So let us understand the physical significance of it. Let us assume that there are two bodies A and B. Body A and B, initially they are both neutral, and after rubbing, body two electrons transferred from body A to B. There is exchange of two electrons. Now body B will acquire more electrons, so it will be minus 2e net charge, and on body A, since it is deficient of two electrons, so it will be having plus 2e charge. So initially they both were neutral, and finally total charge in this system is equals to 0. So this is what law of conservation of charge says, that in an isolated and closed system, total charge remains constant. So initially we saw that glass rod and the silk cloth are both neutral, and after rubbing, just like in this A and B body, we saw that glass becomes positively charged and this silk cloth becomes negatively charged. Now which of the bodies will give up electrons depends upon the triboelectric series. So this is the triboelectric series. So in this series, the glass, we see that it has tendency to give up electrons to the highest, and below comes the silk. That is, if we rub glass and silk together, then glass has higher tendency to lose electrons than silk. So obviously when we rub these two, then glass will become positively charged and the silk will become negatively charged. Now since these two bodies are isolated and the system is closed in the sense that there is no any foreign electrons that is coming to the system of glass and silk,